Would you dare to eat a food that smells like a sewer, wriggles on your plate, or contains deadly poison? Welcome to Brainigans, where today we explore the strangest, most shocking, and mind-blowing foods from around the globe. The first one, Surströmming, Sweden's fermented fish. In Sweden, people eat surströmming, a fermented herring so pungent it's banned on airplanes. Open the can and you are greeted with a smell that's been compared to rotten eggs and sewage. Yet, Swedes claim it's a delicacy. The second one, Kasumarji, the cheese with live maggots from Italy. From Sardinia comes Kasumarji, a ship-milk cheese that's home to live maggots. It's considered unsafe in many countries, but locals believe the maggots enhance the flavor and you are expected to keep them alive. The third one, Ballet, the embryo egg from Philippines. Imagine cracking open an egg and seeing a partially developed duck fetus staring back. That's Ballet, a popular Filipino snack believed to be rich in protein and aphrodisiac powers. The fourth one, Hakari, rotten shark from Iceland. Icelanders enjoy hakal, a green-nut shark that's been buried for weeks and left to ferment. Anthony Bourdain called it the worst thing he's ever tasted. The ammonia-rich scent makes most people gag. The fifth one, Sanakji, live octopus from South Korea. In Korea, Sanakji is served freshly chopped and still wiggling. You have to chew it quickly or the suction cups can cling to your throat. It's a battle between delicacy and danger. The sixth one, Escamos, insect caviar from Mexico. Meet the caviar of the Aztecs, Escamos. These are ant larvae harvested from agardos. Creamy, nutty, and served like scrambled eggs. They are a high-end dish in Mexico. The seventh one, century egg, black and preserved from China. Despite the meat, century eggs aren't 100 years old, just preserved in clay, ash, and quicklime for weeks. The result? A translucent black egg with a creamy green yolk and a punchy onion flavor. The eighth one, tuna eyeballs from Japan. In Japan, supermarkets sell tuna eyeballs and they are considered a delicacy. Boiled or steamed, they are said to taste like squid and are packed with nucleus. But can you stomach something staring back at you? So, which of these bizarre foods would you try or avoid at all costs? Let us know in the comments. Around the world, food tells stories of culture, courage, and some serious stomach strength. If you enjoyed this wild culinary adventure, give us a thumbs up, share it with a foodie friend, and subscribe to Brainy Bits for more jaw-dropping facts every week.